Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Tech and Code, where we blend technology and creativity to create magic. Today, we're diving into the world of viral stick animations, those addictive, entertaining videos that rake in millions of views and, let's be honest, a decent pile of cash. Ready to make your mark with stick figure animations? Let's get started. But before that, the question is, why do these animations get so many views? Simple. They're short, hilarious, and people can't help but watch them again and again. The more views, the more YouTube and TikTok algorithms love them, pushing these videos to an even larger audience. There are 3 types of stick animations out there, but today, I'm showing you the easiest, most cost-effective way to make them. And guess what? It's totally free. So, first step, head over to Adobe Express Animator. Make sure you're on the right site. Click on the plus icon. Head to the Quick Actions tab and scroll down to Animate from Audio. You'll see a ton of characters. Click on the categories and you'll find everything from emojis to weird stuff. But today, we're going classic with the sticky. Click on him and then hit the background tab to pick a setting. Let's go with a classroom. Classic and simple. Next, select your video size. For YouTube, pick the landscape option. If you want to make TikTok-style vertical videos, select a color background that fits well. Now, we need a voice. Head over to a free text-to-speech website, link in the description, sign up, and generate your audio. Let's go with a funny joke from this web.
My boss said dress for the job you want, not for the job you have. So I went in as Batman.
Go back to Adobe, upload your audio, and watch the magic happen. Adobe will automatically sync your audio with the animation, and boom, you've got a viral video in the making.
My boss said dress for the job you want, not for the job you have. So I went in as Batman.
If you post 2 to 3 of these videos a day, you'll start seeing results in no time. Remember to check out all the resources linked in the description, and don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more awesome tutorials from Tech and Code. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. Until next time, stay creative, happy animating,